Hello beauties and welcome back. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. We are back with another fashion video. Today's video is about mixing and matching prints. Now before we go any further, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not subscribed, you already know the routine. You know what you have to do. Let's just pause this right now, click that subscribe button, and right next to that subscribe button is a little bell. Let's click that. That is to notify you whenever I come with an upload. And if you don't want to miss out on anything that I have to share with you, make sure you click that bell. Let me give a shout out. This is a Diva Tee, Miss Tanisha R. Atkins of Divas Incorporated. This will actually be styled in the very first outfit. You can find these Diva Tees on Instagram at divas_incorporated, or you can check out her website, divatees.bigcortail.com. Every t-shirt is making a statement. So enough of that. Let's just kind of talk a little bit. I want you beauties to understand and to know when you want to make a statement with your outfit, with your look overall, you have to have it all together. That means the hair have to be on point, the makeup have to be flawless, and the outfit, your outfit must speak. When you have all three in the combination, you have it. You have the look, you have the total package, you will definitely make a statement. Now back to the video at hand. When you put two different prints together, it's normally something people don't just gravitate towards. But when you are a fashionista or when you have style, you will rock it. I am going to start with giving you a few of my favorites, what I like to mix and match. And my number one favorite are stripes and animal print. The other that I love stripes and polka dots. You can find it all behind me here. These are all pieces that are straight out of my closet. Now, another favorite of mine, stripes and a floral print. That's the gist of it. That's exactly what I'll be showing you today. You have so many different prints and patterns. Once you get it down and once you start doing it, it will come so second nature to you that it'll just be something that you do. All right, I'm beginning with this striped blazer, the animal print pants. Let me just tell you a little bit about how I go about mixing and matching prints. The common color in both the blazer and the animal print pants is black. And then in both, we have just like hints of white. You have the white as your background on your jacket. But I bring it together with the black tee, white writing. There's your black and your white. I will have a red lip, and I will pop it with a red heel. I'm kind of far back. I'll show you in just a second with my mirror. I'm alone today, so I have to shoot my own video. I want to just give it a little fun pop, a little accessories. I have bangle bracelets on. I have my ring. I love wearing a ring. My earrings and this little fun clutch bag. It has the black base. It has red with shades of pink, brown. It doesn't matter. It coordinates. So this little bag can be tied into it, and there you have it. You have stripes, animal print, and then you have these little kissy lips. And voila, I am back. I know y'all are thinking, now that is just way too much going on. But just give me a second. See the colors, color scheme. You have the stripes, you have the floral print, stripes on the belt, have the floral print on the kimono. These things here are becoming really popular. They're not new at all. This is called a kimono. This is just a camisole with a little lace detail here. I paired this together with these just knit, like bell-bottom style pants. You can't really see them. Let's see, can you get a good look now? The way I did this and the way I paired this together is because you have the white base with the black stripes. In the kimono, you have this color, you have this color. This color is in both pieces. Now you have black that's in the different florals on the kimono, black in the pants. So I decided to accessorize and bring the black out. I have on the black heels and the belt. The belt has the yellow, which is also in the kimono, and the black. There it is again. That black is the common color in all the pieces except the camisole. I decided to pair this bangle bracelet, which is black, the necklace, which is black, earrings, and shoes. I can't tell you everything, how I do it, what I look for. I will try my best to give you enough information to help you determine how you want to mix and match prints. Accessories, I cannot stress it enough, will bring your outfit to the next level. Something they may look so simple, when you accessorize it, it can really bring it to life. Now, in this situation, I want to tell you something. Because I had so much neck space here, and when you see me looking off to the side, it's because I have a mirror here. I have so much neck space here. It was looking pretty plain and pretty empty. So whenever I have neck space and I'm dealing with the scoop neck like this, I will wear a necklace that will fit in that space, not will drape down. This is just the way I do it, the way I think. You don't have to do it that way. You may not like accessories, but if you are one that want to know how to accessorize, this is for you. This ring has the black in it with the little rhinestone, the black hoop. This belt, this is my knockoff off-white belt, and it does drape down to the floor. That's the way it's made. That's how it's supposed to be. For me, it just brings the look together. And because I'm loving yellow, yellow is my color this year. Especially love yellow against the melanin, the pretty brown skin. No shade, I love everyone, I do. I'm just saying. Let's grab this. This is yellow, like the belt. It's not quite the same yellow, but you can make it work. Or this has a little yellow tone to it. I actually like this better. With the yellow working. Now here is another one of my favorites, polka dots and stripes, like I told you in the beginning. This dress, it has red and white as the base, but the stripes are black. Since it has the stripes as black, I decided to pair the polka dots with the black background with the white. And then I just paired them with heels and again accessories. I'm showing you with each outfit how important accessories are and how accessories can really enhance your look. Here I have a silver cuff bracelet. Since I have on black and red and white, I decided to pair it with silver. You can either do silver or gold. Since the neckline is a little bit higher and my earrings drop down, I will not wear a necklace with an outfit like this. If I had smaller earrings, like studs or something, then I may drop a necklace and let it hang. Doing the opposite. Black, white polka dots, white, black polka dots. So here it is. Stripes in your polka dots. All right, and lastly, you can see behind me, it has taken me all day to shoot this video for you. But lastly, we have florals and stripes. White base, black stripes, black base, white, pink, an assortment of flowers, but black and white are the two base colors, and they are found in the blazer jacket. Again, accessories. There was a gap between here, so I added the silver necklace. Silver hoops, bangle bracelets, ring, accessories. Remember, accessories are the key to enhancing your outfit. I paired it with shoes that have both colors that are in the blazer. Let's see. Stripes and florals. Another mixed print and pattern that you can put together. All right, beauties, now that wraps up our mixing and matching of patterns and prints. I hope this video was, I know none of these pieces really go together, but when you put them together with a little funky attitude and some confidence, it works. I hope this video was useful and you're able to put some pieces together and gave you a little inspiration. If you did, and if you were inspired, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it. Remember, sharing means caring, and I'll see you in the next one.